Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today I have for you the replacement intercooler charge pipes from Mishimoto for the 2016 to 2020 Camaro 2.0. These pipes are an easy way to free up the restrictive factory pipes and allow your turbo to breathe more air, providing a bit more power to our drive. The increased internal volume of these pipes allows for a reduction in restriction when compared to the factory plastic piping. The smooth aluminum mandrel bents that Mishimoto constructed these pipes out of, it not only allows for the larger volume, but also ensures a perfect fit right back to the factory location without any major modifications. Mishimoto's ability to make these pipes fit right back in the factory location allows these pipes to be an easy upgrade for any 2.0 Camaro. They have also incorporated the quick disconnect feature that is similar to the factory pipes, allowing you to use either the factory intercooler or the Mishimoto intercooler. The cold side pipe is a large 2.75 inch in diameter that allows for a 31% increase of internal volume when compared to stock. Their CNC machine sensor port allows for a perfect fitment of the factory sensor that would also allow you to reconnect the electrical harness without any modification. Another feature that Mishimoto does for the cold side is an added NPT port for any aftermarket boost gauge to keep an eye on those boost levels. The hot side pipes are a simple replacement of the factory pipe, but they do feature a larger diameter when compared to stock. The 2.5 inch pipe is a larger diameter that allows for 29% increase of internal volume. So if you're looking to change out the charge pipes in your 2016 to 2020 Camaro 2.0, then these upgrade pipes from Mishimoto will allow you to easily add better flow and reduce restriction. These kits are available in a polished and a wrinkle black finish. They come with silicone couplers to make easy connections and T-bolt clamps to hold it all in place. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.